day, Monday hustle. Time no day for the buffle. The papa gotta give me the muscle. When the money come, I no go turn full. Friends knocking on my door like a bang, bang, bang. Me, I no go waste all my time. The money don't come with the gang. I no go use them anyhow. When the money come now, then go bow. Then go give me the crown. I go make my fans them proud. Papa God give me plenty money. I no go use them.
I'm excited to be sharing this stuff today because I've been learning, starting to earn, and then I'm sharing. And that's what I'm doing today. And this is to do with good debt and be able to make some money with it. So this year is the first year I've been able to use margin with stocks. And using a margin is basically the bank that I'm dealing with gives me money that I can use to go make money with, and then I give them back their money and keep the extra profit for myself. That's the simple part of it. And with stocks, it's with margin. Now with other investments, you can do the same thing with real estate. You can do it with any asset class. But we're talking about stocks today. So anyway, I've just got a few examples I want to show you from this year that I've been able to take and use that money and make money with, give that money back, and keep the rest for myself. It's a great way to build wealth and a great way to speed up the process as long as you know and have a good financial education, know what you're doing. Okay, thanks for checking this out. Here we go. Okay, so showing here on the bottom left is $2,300. That's what I used, and they charged me $2,700 or $27 to use that for the whole month. Now here's what I did with it. I put that with the rest of the money that I had, and that topped me up, gave me enough that I could buy 100 shares of Apple and sell them. And that's what I did. Volatility traded for that whole month. So in the column on the right, that was buying and selling, and generating that income. So after all that income there, I paid them $27. Pretty cool. Okay, so the interest, $15.44 for the month. Actually, not for the month. It shows the dates below from the 4th to the 21st, how much the percentage is, and how much I'm using, $5,700, and how much is available after. Okay, and here's what I did. I went out and bought 3 leaps, and it was around $4,500, made my $98, took that money, gave it back, used it again, went and did this 2 more times, and was able to generate $182, $174 each time, and then, of course, paid the $15 for the use of using that money. Oh, hey, just want to throw this part in here. You can't actually go out and buy a leap using your margin. You have to use your cash that's in your account. And that's what I've done. I used the cash in my account to buy the margin, to buy the leap, and then I used the margin to buy the 100 shares of Apple that I've been doing right along anyway. So that's what I was doing there. I just want to throw that in there. You can't go out and actually use margin to buy leaps. You need to use your own cash. There you go, a quick little video on how you can take someone else's money, go make some money with it, give it back, keep the rest by using good debt. Thanks for checking this out. Until next time.